Hi, I'm Adam, and there's Colin peeing in a bottle. Ew, dude. Alright, so we had 2 marshmallows today. One for Colin, and one for me.
We're gonna put it in a microwave.
Yeah, this is a very old microwave. Like, you can't even see the inside of it. Wait. Oh, there you can. Alright, let's put the marshmallows in there. Okay. Close that. Okay, let's go for like 20 seconds. Watch these bad boys blow up. Oh, they're getting bigger.
Bigger and better.
Oh my god.
It's getting bigger. You're only one that's getting bigger.
Dude, it's gonna blow up soon. Look how big that is. It's gonna blow up all in the inside. The second one! Oh, it smells good. Oh my god!
Wrong.
If you want to maximize your marshmallow size for
I think
small-
that's more.
It's melting even more!
It's starting to smell really bad.
Okay, it's ready. Okay. Oh. Put your hand right there. Let's compare. Let's compare.
Dude, what?
Okay, this is his thumb. Like, hold out your thumb. That's a thumb compared to that thing.
Watch this.
Oh,
It's like water.
that's your marshmallow.
Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. It's like peanut butter.
Oh, it's burnt.
Oh, hot.
Aye.
Hot.
So you ready to say goodbye to the camera?
That's hard.
Sideways. Okay, you want to say goodbye to the camera?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.